question 3. So we're solving here and all of these, so we're going to end up with proper final answers. So remember, to do these you need to do stuff to end up with it being x equaling something. So let's start off by trying to undo this adding of 5. So we're going to choose to take away 5 from both sides. So pop a -5 in a circle underneath the equal sign, and now just follow your own instructions. So first of all, looking at the left hand side, 3x plus 5 minus 5 is 3x, hence why we chose to do it. And then on the right hand side, 14 minus 5 is 9. So now we've got to 3x equals 9. 3 times what equals 9? Well, you can probably just see that it's going to be 3, because 3 3s are 9. But let's follow through the process so we fully understand what we're doing. That this means 3 times x, or x times 3. How do we undo a timesing by 3? Well, we divide by 3. Pop that in a circle and follow that instruction on both sides. So 3x divided by 3 is x. 9 divided by 3 can be written as 9 over 3, and that equals 3. Now you could always check this answer. You could pop this back into the question. 3 3s are 9, 9 and 5 is 14. Yep, we got it right. So similar for part B, to undo a -5 we add 5 to both sides, giving us 4y equals 17. How do we undo a timesing by 4? We divide by 4. 17 to be divided by 4. Get in the habit of writing that as 17 over 4, a top-heavy fraction. 17 to be divided by 4. Now that's a perfectly acceptable final answer. That will do for full marks. Or you could convert it into a mixed number, 4 1/4 or even 4.25. Now part C is a bit different in as much we've got a bracket to start with, so we start by expanding the double claw. 2 times p is 2p, 2 times 4 is plus 8, so we've now turned it into one of these up here. How do we undo an adding of 8? We take away 8. How do we undo a timesing by 2? We divide by 2. 5 to be divided by 2, which is 5 over 2, a top-heavy fraction. That's fine for full marks, or you could write it as 2 1/2.